the movie. Amandeep, thank you very much for joining in. Quickly moving on and talking about what's been happening this morning as far as a big claim that has been made by the Aam Aadmi Party, as there are raids upon the ED that has been taking place at the residence of Amanatullah Khan, the leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, and live pictures that are now coming in of the security that has been now taking place at his residence, as the leader from the Aam Aadmi Party has been claiming that the ED will soon arrest him. Exclusive pictures coming in as we are getting you these live reports. We have Sabyasachi with us on the ground. Sabyasachi, what's happening? Amanatullah Khan saying that the ED team is raiding his residence.
Well, absolutely. See, straight away show you the visuals around here. You can see the Delhi police as well as the central forces are deployed in front of Amanatullah's residence. Meanwhile, the ED officials are currently in front of his residence. They have not gone inside yet. Now, since morning, Amanatullah took to the social media saying that the Enforcement Directorate is here to arrest him. We had also seen that there was an altercation between Amanatullah as well as the Enforcement Directorate official. Now, Amanatullah says that the Enforcement Directorate is here to arrest him. Now, clearly at this particular time, the Enforcement Directorate is waiting to get inside his residence to carry out the searches. Meanwhile, his name is under the scanner in the ED case as per the alleged financial irregularities in the Waqf Board. Meanwhile, the security has been intensified outside Amanatullah's residence. The entire lane has been completely blocked by the Delhi police, and the central forces are also present right now on ground.
Right, and even what exactly comes across as a certain altercation that is also being posted will tell you exactly what had happened when the ED team reached Amanatullah Khan residence. I believe, Sabyasachi, this is in Okhla, where these raids are taking place. Can we confirm and call them as raids?
Well, see, we have to wait for the Enforcement Directorate official version. Meanwhile, what has come in from the ED sources is that they have reached Amanatullah's residence and they have not gone inside. They are not allowed by Amanatullah Khan. Meanwhile, in the video that Amanatullah has posted, we had seen that there was an altercation between Amanatullah as well as the Enforcement Directorate. Now, there was serious allegation that has been leveled by Amanatullah Khan, stating that the Enforcement Directorate is here.
When you're mentioning Amanatullah Khan, he's posted a video as well saying that these are ED raids against him and saying that he fears that the ED has come to arrest him. Let's listen in, to the video that he's been posting.
और ईडी वाले मेरे घर पे सर्च वारंट के नाम पर मुझे अरेस्ट करने के लिए आए हैं। मेरी मदर इन लॉ, उनको कैंसर है, अभी 4 दिन पहले उनका ऑपरेशन हुआ है, वो भी मेरे घर पर हैं और मैंने इनको लिखा भी था और हर नोटिस का जवाब मैंने इनको दिया है। जब ये मुझे नोटिस कर रहे हैं तो सर्च वारंट के नाम पर सिर्फ इनका मकसद मुझे गिरफ्तार करना है, हमारे कामों को रोकना है। पिछले 2 साल से मुस्तकिल ये लोग मुझे परेशान कर रहे हैं, फर्जी मुकदमात लगा रहे हैं, आए दिन कोई ना कोई उलझन परेशानी खड़ी कर रहे हैं और मुझे ही नहीं, मेरी पूरी पार्टी को। मुख्यमंत्री जी जेल के अंदर हैं, अभी मुख्यमंत्री जेल से आए हैं, संजय सिंह जेल से आए हैं और सत्येंद्र जैन जेल में हैं और अब ये मुझे गिरफ्तार करना चाहते हैं। सिर्फ इनका मकसद है कि हम लोगों को तोड़ना और हमारी पार्टी को तोड़ना।
All right, we heard Amanatullah Khan there, Sabyasachi, claiming that the ED team has come to arrest him and saying that he's been cooperating with the agencies. What is this case all about? Because as far as his last questioning is concerned, that happened in April.
Well, absolutely. See, Amanatullah is under the scanner of the Enforcement Directorate. See, his name has come up as far as financial irregularities is concerned in the Waqf Board. Meanwhile, earlier as well, the Enforcement Directorate has summoned him. There has been one relief that he has got from the court. Now, Amanatullah alleged that the Enforcement Directorate is here to arrest him. Meanwhile, the Delhi police, the central forces are on ground. As per the sources, the Enforcement Directorate still has not got entry inside the residence of Amanatullah Khan. He has not opened the door. Now, Amanatullah Khan says that he has replied to all the notices sent to him by the Enforcement Directorate, and he has alleged that his mother-in-law is not well. She has undergone a surgery very recently and he needs 4 weeks' time. Meanwhile, we had seen that the altercation took place between the Enforcement Directorate and Amanatullah Khan. Meanwhile, the Enforcement Directorate officials are still waiting to get inside the residence of Amanatullah Khan as he has not
So you're saying,
opened the
Sabir
door.
Sakshi,
On the
that
other
even
hand,
as we speak. All right, Pradeep Bhandari is with us right now. Pradeep, good morning.